Hello everyone. Once again welcome all of you in Maths Online class. I am Manish Singh, your maths teacher. And student, today in this video we solve the last topic of the decimal division. And this is a very important topic. What is it? How we can write the division answer, means which division? Decimal division answer in a certain place, means question asking write the decimal, this division decimal in a answer which place? One decimal place. We can say the 1 DP for decimal place, not the WhatsApp and Facebook DP. This is a DP for decimal place. So you can write in 1 DP. How we can write in a 2 DP, 2 decimal place. So let's start now. So learn how to find this type question. So look here, evaluation to a desired number of decimal place means give your answer in a correct or certain number of decimal place. So if the question is asking in this type question is asking write the 1 decimal place. So you carry out the more than 1 decimal place, means carry out the answer more than 1 decimal place. More than, if asking the 1 decimal place, so you write solve the answer or solve the division up to 2 or 3 decimal place, then we can convert in a 1 decimal place. And here one rule is a very important, so listen carefully. So first, one by one I explain the question, then you can understood how to find the value of the correct decimal places. Look here, 10 divided by 3, and question is saying to 1 DP. 1 DP. DP I will again explain. Listen, keep in mind, here is DP not for display picture. For this is not a DP for which DP? WhatsApp and Facebook. No, this is a DP for decimal place. DP, keep in mind, here is the DP for a DP full form decimal place. So 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. We can write the, if the question asking 1 decimal place, so we can write the, here is no decimal, so we can write after the 20, because we can carry out the more than 1 digit. So 3 is a 9, 1. So we can write the 0 here, and the decimal, you know decimal property. When you take the decimal in a quotient, then quotient always give a 1 1 0 in each step. Where we need to 0 9, again 3 is a 9, again 1, then again 3 is a 9. Then ये कंटिन्यू ऐसे होता जाएगा ना, अब डिवाइड करते रहोगे, इसकी वैल्यू फिनिश नहीं होगा. तो 3.33 and question asking 1 DP, so you can write here 3.3. Now second is in second 603 divided by 9, again is asking the 1 decimal place. Simply you divide by with the help of decimal division, like as a decimal division, simply 603. So question asking 1 DP, so you can take the 20 after the decimal. You can write the 20 after the decimal, so 603.00. So 19 divided by 603 divided by 19. So you know table of 19. Table is very important for the mathematics. So this is again request you everyone learn the table up to 20. So 19 3s are 57. After subtraction we get the 3. Then write down the 3. Then 33. Now 19 1s are 19. After subtraction we get the 14. Here 0. We can write the 0 here is a, but decimal. Now we can take the decimal here is a. Then 19 7s are 133. Then 7. Then after subtraction, then what we have now? 70. Then 93 is again. And now here the question asking 1 DP. So you can write the only 1 decimal up to 1 decimal place of the this division answer. You can write the up to 1 decimal place only, means after decimal you can write the only 1 digit there. And here is one rule. I will explain you this rule. So listen carefully. 31.73, but you can write according to the question. Question is asking 1 digit, so you can write the 31.7. This is correct. This is also correct, because this is asking the question. Now third 2/7 or 2 divided by 7. Listen, fraction is also known as a division, means fraction and division both are same. Fraction means division or division means fraction. 2 upon 7 or 2 divided by 7. So 3 decimal place up to the 3 decimal place. Here we can take the, here we can write the after decimal how many 0? 4 0, because you know if the question asking the 3 decimal place, so you find your answer up to 4 decimal place. 4 decimal place. So 2.0000. Why? Because here is a no numbers, we can write the 0. So 2.0000. Then divide by 7. Look here, 2 is a less than 7. So we need digit. Which one? 0. So here we can take the 0. After 0, now here's 20. Then 7 2s are 14. Subtraction 6. We can add the 0 again because 6 is a less than. So 7 8s are 56. After subtraction 4, again we can here write the 0 because we need the 0. We have a 0. So you can take the 0, 40, then 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Subtraction 5, then 0 is left because question is not, don't stop here now. Don't, if the question is asking 3dp, so you can don't write the don't find your answer up to only 3 decimal place. No. You carry out how many? More than 1 decimal place. Question asking 3, so you find your answer up to 4 decimal place. Then you can convert in a 3 decimal place. So listen, here is one rule, and that is a very important. So how we can convert up to decimal places? So 50, then 7 7s are 49, then 1. Now we have a sufficient digit according to the question. Question asking 3 decimal place, so we have a 4 decimal place. Now listen, is also this one also 0.2857. Question is in 3 decimal place, so just observe the 4 decimal place. What is the 4 decimal place number? 7. And keep in mind 7, just which rule? Here we can apply the nearest or estimated rule. What is there? 5. No, more than 5, 1 add the in the next number. If less than 5, no change in the before the number. Which number? For the of the given number, no change. Means what is the before 7? Which number here is 5? And listen, 7 is here more than 5. Then we can add the 1 in the next number, and that is a 5 plus 1 will be 6. Then we can write the answer up to 3 decimal place. Then answer will be hence 0.8286, not 5. 6, because before after the 5, what is the number here? 7, and 7 is more than 5. If less than 5, so you can write only up to 5, 285. Suppose that here is a 3, so we can write easily 0.285. No change. But here is a 7, and 7 is more than 5. So look the last question today. 16.7 divided by 6 to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place after division means 16 divided by 2 decimal place asking. So how many 2 decimal means 3 decimal place. After decimal we have a sorry, we have a 1 digit. So we need the 2 digits. So you can use or you can write the 20. Now after decimal we have a 1 2 3 digit. So we can solve the easily. So 6 2s are 12. After subtraction 4 now. Then we can write the 7. 6 7s are 42. Then 5 0 we can write here. 6 8s are 48. Then what is here? Minus 48. Then 2. Then 18 2. After the division, then what? 2.783. 2.783. But question is only 2 decimal place. But अगर 2 decimal पूछ रहा है तो आप 3 decimal तक आंसर फाइंड करो. Then look here, what is that? 3, and 3 is a smaller than 5. So value will be same up to 2 decimal place. We cannot change and we cannot add in the second decimal place 1. So answer will be hence 2.78. 2.78. Suppose if here is a 6, then we can add the 1 in the 8, otherwise value will be same. Then we can write the same value 2.78, then this is the answer. And this was all about, listen one thing small in mind, what 5 more than 5, then add the next one in a numbers, which number before the last number. If less than 5, then no change in the before the last number. So this was all about for today. So your homework is solve exercise which one, 3C, question number 4 and 5. So I have attached your homework in description of this video. Thank you and take care.